Till now we have discussed about the introduction of photosynthesis. Today activity 2, and we will discuss whether carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis or not. That means here in the presence of sunlight, if you listen carefully, every green plant, every green plant prepare food from photosynthesis. Every green plant will prepare food from photosynthesis. So for that some parameters are needed. First one it is carbon dioxide. Second one it is water. Third one it is sunlight. And next one it is chlorophyll. So these four parameters are most important. Then how to prove whether carbon dioxide is responsible for photosynthesis? How we need to prove? For that only now we are performing this activity. So what we need to do for every photosynthetic activities, we need to first perform a technique called as de-starching. So what is the de-starching here? De-starching means here removal of starch. So one technique will be present. Now we will discuss about that technique. De-starching means removal of starch from the leaf. Starch is present, so we will remove it by a process called as de-starching. So what is the de-starched plant? So in your exam they will be asking for 1 mark. What is a de-starched plant? So you need to write that when we remove starch from the leaf, it is called as de-starching. So in the name itself it is a removal of starch. De means in Greek language to remove. Now we will discuss about what is the experiment. So here we have Moll's half-leaf experiment. So what are the apparatus are needed here? First one, if you see, potted plant. You can see here potted plant, and we need one plant which is present in the pot. We need a split cork and a wide mouthed transparent bottle. Your name is not written in your textbook, you correct it. Transparent, otherwise sunlight cannot pass through it. And potassium hydroxide, then iodine solution, then iodine solution. So here you need to remember all these parameters: potted plant, wide mouthed transparent bottle, split cork, potassium hydroxide, and iodine solution. And the leaf what we are performing also must be very neat, structured leaf. So unstructured leaf will be like this. This is wrong, this is correct. So what we need to do here means we need to take one potted plant. Wait, I will just take potted plant here, and that is kept dark. That is kept in the dark for 2 to 3 days. That means in a room you need to put this plant for 2 to 3 days to remove starch. So this is the technique. De-starching means here a green plant is kept in a room, dark room, for 2 to 3 days to remove starch, and that process is called as de-starching. And remember, in every photosynthetic experiments, we need to perform de-starching technique for every green plant. That is for sure. Now the experiment start here. What we will do? We will take a potted plant after 2 to 3 days. That means after de-starching method, we will take this plant and then we will select a good variated green leaf. That means a perfect leaf. So what we will do now? This leaf is inserted in the wide mouthed transparent bottle in such a manner half will be inside the bottle and half will be outside the bottle. So this is the condition. What is the condition here? Half of the leaf will be inside the bottle and half of the leaf will be outside the bottle. Then what we will do here, after inserting that, we need to check whether this area is open or closed. So that is called a split cork. So we need to ensure if any openings are there, means what we need to do means we need to add some grease in that region. Before adding this leaf into the wide mouthed transparent bottle, we need to add potassium hydroxide solution. Why? Because if any carbon dioxide is present, then it will be absorbed by KOH. Why we are performing carbon dioxide is essential or not? So to ensure, we need to free this carbon dioxide in this environment. So if we remove that, then actually it is needed or not, we will be finding in this experiment. For that, first only we need to fill potassium hydroxide solution, and then we need to insert the leaf in such a manner half of the leaf will be outside, half of the leaf will be inside, and if any openings are there, means we need to close with the help of grease or Vaseline or ghee, vanaspati, anything. Then the area will be blocked, so there will be no entry for carbon dioxide. Then we will, so in this experiment potted plant is used here, and that half of the leaf kept inside the wide mouthed transparent bottle and then half is outside, and whole setup is kept under sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Remember here, this experiment will conduct for 2 to 3 hours only, but discharging is done for 2 to 3 days. So that you need to remember. So experiment, this whole setup we need to put under sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, what we need to do? We need to slowly remove this leaf, as we are seeing here. We need to remove total that leaf, and we need to take one petri dish. In that petri dish, we will put this leaf, and we will pour iodine solution here. As I already said, iodine solution. Then after that, what will happen here? Half of the leaf will turn into purple and half of the leaf will turn into white or no color change, purple or navy blue, like that it will change. So here if we indicate this is the bottle, this part will turn into purple or navy blue, or this part will change into colorless or no any change, as if we add the drop of iodine solution, there will be no any change. But we can see this in the first part. If we consider this is the first part and this is the second part, then we can see that this region will be getting purple. Why? This region is exposed to sunlight and carbon dioxide and chlorophyll is present. So here you need to remember, sunlight is common for, wait, so this blue black color indicate that it has undergone photosynthesis. So before to say that, if this we consider first part and if this we consider second part, as it is kept in the wide mouth transparent bottle. So this first part is exposed with, to 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. So this has exposed with only 3. Water, anyhow it is linked to the leaf. Water is present. Chlorophyll is always present on the leaf. And sunlight will enter, as it is a transparent wide mouth bottle. Sunlight also will enter. So which is stopped here? carbon dioxide is stopped. So for this second part, carbon dioxide has not entered. So if carbon dioxide is not entered, this remaining leaf part not shown any color, that became colorless. So by this we can indicate that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Why? This leaf, if you assume carbon dioxide is present, so how it is present here? If you remember from here to here, first part, this is the first part. So carbon dioxide is present. If carbon dioxide is present, means it performed starch by undergoing photosynthesis and appeared as a blue black color. Then we can make sure that moles half leaf. Why half leaf? Half leaf we are taking into the wide mouth bottle, half leaf we are taking outside. So moles half leaf experiment will be clarifying about whether carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis or not. So today we have completed this class. So what is your work is that you need to draw this diagram in a paper if you have not purchased any book, or most of the students are already purchased fair notes for biology in the class. So just open that book and draw this diagram first, and after that in your own idea what have you understood, you need to write just below to that diagram. Understood? So this is all for today. Meet you in next class. Have a good day.